Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek I am Chimdhanawala. Today I'll discuss clinical application of a very important polycrestin, that is natriuretic. And I'll only discuss the natriuretic symptom in relation to the extremities. Though you have used this drug as a polycrest, but sometimes we fail to understand the extremities, the indication of extremities of natriuretic. And sometimes it will happen in your practice. A very important picture or symptom of extremities, and that will guide you the whole drug picture of natriuretic, which were you searching for. The first symptom that you should remember of natriuretic extremities is the eruptions. In natriuretic, the eruptions are white on hands and they are on spots. Whenever you're taking a case, just see the hands of natriuretic patient. Eruptions will be white in spots, and that is a very, very important indication of natriuretic. Next comes formication. Of course, there are lots and lots of symptoms of eruptions in our mater medica, but this symptom of white spots of natriuretic on hands is a very, very important PQRS indication of natriuretic. I'll only dealing with the PQRS symptoms of natriuretic, which I have found very useful in practice, and that you'll be able to differentiate that with other remedies. So I'll only concentrate on the PQRS symptom. Next comes the formication. Formication in natriuretic is especially in the upper lip, especially of the left side. Whenever the patient comes and tells you, sir, there is formication, चीटी आ रही है यहाँ पे, in the left side, you must think about natriuretic. In fact, formication in the tips of the fingers of right side, that is also natriuretic. So, left upper limb formication, natriuretic, and formication in the tips of right fingers, that is also natriuretic. Such a wonderful indication of natriuretic. Next, and the formication of the foot extend upwards on the skin of the foot. The formication is in the foot and it extends upwards on the skin of the foot. A very, very peculiar and a very important indication of natriuretic. In natriuretic, the skin will guide you to the remedy. It is hardness of the skin of the hands and they are rough. So whenever you are thinking about natriuretic, touch the skin of the patient. It will be hardness of the skin of the hand, hardness, and they are rough. A very, very important indication of natriuretic. This is called non-verbal case taking. Just touch it and you feel natriuretic. Next, there is heaviness. Heaviness, or you can say tired limbs, especially lower limbs after menses. Whenever a lady of natriuretic comes to you and says, sir, after menses, my lower limb feels very tired, I cannot walk, it feels tired. Think about natriuretic. In fact, natriuretic also has heaviness of the or tiredness of the foot after vexation. The only remedy after vexation, if you have tiredness or heaviness of the foot, then you must think about natriuretic. Now, itching. Itching is very important symptom of natriuretic. Itching of the fingers. Itching of the fingers in the evening in bed. Natriuretic patient lies down in the bed and starts itching the fingers. Tip, right side formication, left hand formication, itching of fingers. Very, very important indication of natriuretic skin. You have to remember in your practice. As you go further, there is numbness. Numbness of the extremity is very, very important. Numbness of, or it is called in a mathematical insensibility of the extremities during sleep. How will the patient tell you? You can see also the relatives or the associate person sleeping beside the patient and see the natriuretic patient will keep pressing the legs or हम बोलते हैं limbs को झटकते रहता है. Keep tapping the limb because he feels they are going numb. That is natriuretic. Sometimes I had a patient a few weeks back. The wife came and told the husband was always tapping the legs. I said, why are you tapping? That is because of the insensibility feeling, the numbness in the extremities during sleep. A very, very important indication. Sometimes we miss this indication, but my dear friends, that is natriuretic. Also, there is numbness or insensibility of the foot on ascending the stairs. In that also the patient will rub the foot or jerk the foot or do something active to the foot because he feels it has become numb or insensible. That is also an ascending stage when the patient is ascending to your clinic And if you say, Dr. Sahab, when I come to your clinic, my foot feels absolutely numb, please do think about natrium mure. Very, very important indication of natrium mure. So these are the symptoms, extremities that you should never forget of natrium mure. As you go further in natrium mure, the important symptom, paralysis. When is the paralysis? A very, very important indication. Natrium mure has paralysis of extremities from pain. The pain is so severe, it is as good as paralytic or paralyzing the extremities. A very, very important indication of natrium mure. Or you can have paralysis general of the extremities from grief. I have got few patients in my practice where there was paralysis from grief, paralysis of extremities from grief, natrium mure, 200 single dose, and I could give relief to patient very early. So you must remember what are the extremities indication of natrium mure. Next, as you go further, then you have to have, there is also one symptom that there is a sensation of paralysis of fingers, especially the fourth, the ring finger. This finger, the ring finger, the patient feels that as if there is a sensation of paralysis, especially of the ring finger, that is natrium mure. I hope you are getting what I want to tell you about natrium mure. As you go further, the pulsation. I had lots and lots many of cases where I cured with this symptom, pulsation of the upper arm, deltoid. The patient will tell you there is a pulsation feeling in the deltoid, in the upper arm. Don't always think about right side synovium or left side spigelia. No, if there is a pulsation in the extremities, especially on the deltoid, please do think about natrium mure. And the restlessness. The restlessness of the foot in the evening after the patient takes the beer. A very, very important indication. You have patients going in the club and there is restlessness of the foot after taking beer, especially in the evening. You must think about natrium mure. Ask the patient, how is the restlessness better, or how he feels better in restlessness, and he will tell you that the restlessness of the foot is better while walking. When the patient starts walking, the restlessness of foot is better. So this is how you have to basically build up your case or ask the patient of natrium mure extremities. Now comes the swelling. The swelling in natrium mure, generally you will see the swelling of the extremities is most of the time in daytime. Or you have swelling of the foot while ascending the stairs. See, I told you, when the patient comes to you in your chamber, it's in the first floor, second floor, there is numbness or insensibility of foot, natrium mure. If there is swelling of the foot on ascending stairs, natrium mure. This is such an important remedy, and we forget these symptoms of natrium mure. As you go further in natrium mure, trembling. Trembling of, basically if natrium mure patient has trembling of the extremities after unpleasant news. Simple symptom, unpleasant news. कोई एक बुरी खबर पेशेंट ने सुन लिया और उसको ट्रेमलिंग शुरू हो गया. If you hear some bad news, unpleasant news, there is trembling of extremities. My dear friend, in most of the cases, I have cured this by natrium mure. Then you have to ask how the trembling is better, and the patient will tell you that his trembling is better by rubbing. The trembling of the hand is better by rubbing. So rubbing amelioration, a very, very important symptom of natrium mure extremities. Now as you go further, after trembling comes twitching. In natrium mure, one of the very important symptoms I have seen in my practice, that is twisting of the elbow in the morning. There is twisting of the elbow in the morning and unsteadiness of the extremities, especially the leg calf muscles. Unsteadiness. See, there are lot and lot symptoms of natrium mure extremities. I am just trying to give you a quick recap of what I have found important in natrium mure. Now, weakness. So, the natrium mure patient has weakness of the foot on waking. See, the foot symptom are so important. The numbness, the insensibility, the trembling, and now the weakness. The weakness of the foot on waking, or the weakness of the foot, is better by sitting. Such an important indication of natrium mure. Now, as you go further, there is one symptom that I should tell you in natremur that is worth important. That is, there is stitching pain in the hand with itching. There is stitching pain in the hand with itching. This also becomes a very, very important symptom of natremur. The pain is also important. There is tearing pain. Tearing pain, especially after riding. Now, the riding can be nowadays, you can see that if the patient is riding on a bicycle also, you can take that symptom. Tearing pain in the where? Thighs. The patient has tearing pain in the thighs while he is riding or riding after. That's also natremur. In fact, it is written the pain is ulcerative, especially of the ankles on touching and on waking on. So this symptom is very, very important of natremur, touching or waking. A very, very important symptom you must remember in natremur. Now, as far as the nail symptom goes, the natremur patient suffers from ingrowing toenails or nail complaints of sensitive nails. The fingernails are very sensitive. So this in general are the very, very important symptoms which I have found very important in natremur extremities. Please hear this symptom once, twice and thrice so that you can understand what I mean to tell. Of course, go home, read your Mater Medica. There are lots and lots of symptoms of natremur extremities, but these symptoms I found very, very useful in my practice, which will guide you to the same level. So my dear friends, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.